Hey, Tim, what you up to? Tim, what are you doing? It's fun to move that? Tim! Why did you throw it on the floor? Tim, why did you do that? Tim? Yeah, it's down there now.